to Indian Drives. In this video, we'll show you one of the most anticipated crossovers of 2022, the Maruti Suzuki S-Cross. We'll tell you what changes and features you should be expecting to see in the 2022 Maruti Suzuki S-Cross. Before we begin with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, do consider subscribing to us so you don't miss out on such interesting automotive content. Maruti Suzuki has already launched the S-Cross for the European markets. The European spec of the S-Cross gets 1.4-litre turbo-petrol mild hybrid powertrain with an all-wheel drivetrain along with autonomous driving assist features like auto emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. The S-Cross hosts features like a new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof. The updated S-Cross looks way more bigger and premium than the outgoing S-Cross and now looks ready to take over the rivals of the segment like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and the MG Aster. With the launch of MG Aster in the segment with such an extensive list of features and the ADAS features, we can expect the S-Cross to get some of the exciting features from the European Spec S-Cross except for the hybrid powertrain. The ADAS features is also a big question mark as it might significantly increase the pricing of the S-Cross. But aesthetically, on the outside and the inside, the S-Cross will remain the same as the European Spec S-Cross. The front fascia of the S-Cross receives heavy refreshment as the grille is now reworked with the Suzuki logo sitting proudly at the center, bigger than before. The chrome lines now accentuate towards the headlamps. The three-part front LED headlamps looks quite futuristic and have a crystal element to it. The front design of the S-Cross is better and rugged looking than the rear end. The boot space is expected to have a volumetric capacity of 430 litres. We expect Maruti Suzuki to launch the S-Cross in India with their 1.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine with the 12-volt mild hybrid technology that produces 105 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque. The S-Cross is expected to be launched in India by 2022 and is expected to be priced at Rs 10 lakhs ex-showroom.